Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to dynamically assign Chatbot Conversation to an admin in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. In this flow right here, I'm asking if a user will be interested in participating in our upcoming audition. If the user is interested, I will assign the conversation to an admin. Let me show you how. The conversation has been assigned to an admin. There you have it. You just learned how to dynamically assign conversation to an admin. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.